Good day everyone, we are the group 5 and today we were going to discuss about the Philippine biodiversity. But before that, let me discuss first about what is biodiversity. So, biodiversity means the presence of diverse biological life forms as well as the ecosystem in which they live. It can be defined as the richness of species in a given area. So we have three levels of biological diversity. So first is the species diversity. It means the variety of living species. Next is the genetic diversity. Means variety of genetic information. So lastly is the ecosystem diversity. It means a variety of biotic communities. So now, let's go back to the Philippine biodiversity. So, in the Philippines, the richness of biodiversity is found in numerous plant and animal species that thrive in the tropical marine, wetland, and terrestrial ecosystem. This biodiversity offers vast potentials as irreplaceable sources of food, fibers, medicine, fuel, clear air and water, fertile soil for agriculture, materials for industrial purposes, aesthetic, and scientific purposes. In the Philippines is the home of unbelievable, unique, and rare animals. Almost all animals, plants, and animals are suited and rare living in the islands of the Philippines. The largest and the biggest eagle in the world, Pithecophagia jeffreyi, and the giant clam, Tridacca gigas, is the biggest bivalve. The longest crocodile, Crocodylus porosus, the gubi, Pandaka pygmea, the whale shark, the smallest and the largest fish, can be found only in the Philippines. The tarsier, lemur, and dugong can also be found in the country.
Next is we're gonna talk about the endemic flora and fauna species in the Philippines. First is the tamarau. The tamarau, Bubalus mindorensis or Mindoro dwarf buffalo, is a small hoof animal belonging to the family Bovidae. It is endemic to the island of Mindoro. It is believed, however, to have once also thrived on the greater island of Luzon. Next is Pandaka pygmea. The dwarf pygmy goby is one of the smallest fish in the world by mass and is also one of the shortest freshwater fish. Mature males can reach up to 1.1 centimeters, while the females can grow up to 1.5 centimeters. Average weight is from 4 to 5 milligrams. It is known as bia and tabios in the Philippines. Next is the Philippine tarsier. The Philippine tarsier, or Tarsius sairicta, is known locally as the maumag in Cebuano or Visayan and mamag in Luzon. It is found in the southeastern part of the archipelago, particularly in the islands of Bohol Island, Samar Island, Leyte Island, and Mindanao. Next is the pilandok. The Philippine mouse deer or Balabac mouse deer is mainly found in the island of Balabac, which is located south of Palawan. Locally called pilandok or Tragalus nigricans, it has a body the size of a rabbit with slender legs and an arched back that is covered by brown fur, with a white base. A dark line runs from each ear past the eye toward the nose.
Next is we talk about the Philippines eagle owl. The Philippines eagle owl, which called Bubo philippines, is a vulnerable species of bird belonging to the Sugidae family. And Philippine crocodile. The Philippine crocodile which is called Crocodylus mindorensis, is a crocodile endemic in the Philippines, is also known as the Mindoro crocodile and the Philippines freshwater crocodile. Next is Hoya obscura, is a fast-growing Hoya from the Philippines. This Hoya is a fast-growing. Lastly, the Pilpidemium foley is a Pilpidemium foley is a species of plant into the Orchidaceae family. This species is threatened by loss habitat tropical and subtropical forest.
Rafflesia philippensis is a parasitic plant species of the genus Rafflesia that was named by Blanco in his Flora de Filipina in 1845. Philippensis is known only from a mountain located between the province of Laguna and Quezon, Luzon, where it was first discovered. Next is waling-waling, or known as Euthanae sanderiana, is endemic to Mindanao in the provinces of Davao, Cotabato, and Zamboanga, where it is found on the trunks of dipterocrocop trees. It is commonly called waling-walingin in the Philippines, and it is called Sanders euthanae. The orchid is considered to be the queen of Philippine flowers, and it is worshipped as a diwata by the native Bagubo people. Next is Chris plant, or known as Alocasia sanderiana, is an ornamental plant in the Auricae family, which is native to the Philippines. It is tropical perennial with upright, shiny, V-shaped, and deeply lobed leaves. The plant can be up to 6 feet or 2 meters tall and large in its native tropical area. However, it is smaller in culture. And lastly is Cebu cinnamon tree, or also known as Cinnamomum cebuense. The Cebu cinnamon tree is a species of cinnamon endemic to island of Cebu, Philippines. It was first discovered in Cantipla, Cebu in mid-1980s and described by Kostermans in 1986. The tree is endemic to the island of Cebu, but several trees are found in the neighboring island of Camotes and Siquijores.